If you want to add any app link to your YouTube video description by using your iPad, first minimize this and open App Store and click this search and just type the app name. For example, I just type Facebook and open this, then click this share button and copy link. Minimize this. Now the link was copied to clipboard. Now open YT Studio app and just click here and switch account and change the account if you want. I just select this account. Now click content. For example, if I want to add the app link to this video, click these three dots, edit, scroll down and make sure that video was in public visibility, public, save. Then again came here and add description. Now here just type Facebook app link or something like that. It's completely your wish, depends upon your need. I just type then colon and space, that's why it look professional. Then long press and paste. So the Facebook app link was added here. Now just click back, save. Okay, it's saved. Let's check that. Okay, this is the video. Just open that. More. Yeah, here you can see Facebook app link. If anyone click this, it will automatically redirect into the app download option like App Store. Here you can see if I click this, it will download from App Store. And in order to make your link clickable like this blue color, you need to verify your YouTube channel. If you are using a new YouTube channel, you need to verify your phone number and ID proof. In order to do that, if you want to know how to do that, means watch this video. I will clearly explain everything in that video using iPad. Watch this video.